Morning, everyone. Today, I'm very pleased to be here at the first LEAP event. Going digital is now a key global consensus. Saudi Arabia has announced its Saudi Vision 2030. The country aims to become one of the world's top 20 tech economies, using digital to create a more diverse economy. Huawei has become part of the digital process in Saudi Arabia. We have helped local carriers connect over 5.5 million people in remote areas. For 17 years, we have kept the networks up and running during the Hajj. In Saudi Arabia, for Saudi Arabia, Huawei will continue contributing to the country's digital journey. Over the past 3 years, 10% of 8,300 global companies have fully embraced digitalization, growing their revenue 5 times faster than the bottom 25%. This shows that companies can only take the lead by making the leap. UCaaS is using Huawei Cloud as the cornerstone of its innovation. Its users simply upload pictures of their cars and give some basic parameters. Then AI checks millions of pictures for the same type of used cars and accurately estimates the price of such a car in seconds. Normally, users can close a deal at the best price within 3 days. UCaaS is now the fastest growing online car dealing platform in the country. Huawei will help industries in Saudi Arabia go digital. Huawei will soon build a cloud region in the country. We will launch the innovative cloud-native services that are stable, trustworthy, secure, and reliable. We will also cultivate talent for the local AI industry, supporting Saudi Arabia's effort to become one of the first countries to become a large-scale AI model. Huawei has the will, ability, and the resources to support Saudi Arabia's development and help the country realize its Vision 2030. Thank you.